Hello and welcome to the second edition of the Friesen Press Inside Track. Tonight we're going to be talking about comparison shopping with different publishers that you might be considering, which we think is very important as there's a lot of different companies out there and we want to make sure that you make the right decision. So, first want to introduce ourselves. My name is Caroline Johns. I'm the manager of book production services at Friesen Press.
And I'm Marie Witt. I'm the manager of book promotion services. So tonight our big topic is research and conducting adequate research before you put your hard-earned money into a publishing package. There's a lot of options out there, and there's also a lot of mixed messaging about what you're going to need as an author. So research is the one way that you're going to be able to look around the industry and find out exactly what it is that you're going to need to satisfy your book project.
Absolutely.
The first thing that we'd like you to do is take a look at your book project and really make a list of what it is you want. This can be anything from hardcover edition to ebook or
Kindle to illustrations to editing.
Anything that is going to be a component of your book production that you think you're going to need or want. We want to see that on a list. And you're going to take that list and you're going to use it to compare all of the packages that are out there and all of the different aspects of publishing that's being offered at a cost to you. So because it is, the main difference between self-publishing and traditional publishing is this self-investment in your project, you're going to be looking at a number of different packages that have different price tags, and each of those is going to contain different elements of publishing. Before you even look into the publishing packages, it's great to be prepared, so that list is really going to help you.
Absolutely.
Once you start looking at self-publishers, you're going to want to make sure that every self-publisher you look at, you're doing a bit of a background check on. So you want to look into reputation, you want to look into, do they have satisfied customers? Are people talking about them, and are they happy, or are they complaining about them?
What do the books look like that they've actually produced?
Yeah, are the designs up to your expectations and your standards? Were they up to the author's expectations? So do your homework. This is just as simple as putting, a tag into Google and sending that off and seeing what you get back as a search result. It's a very simple process, and it's going to turn back a lot of results for you and make you a stronger author in the end. So do that research and make sure you ask us all of those questions as well. We want to be just as challenged as everybody else, because we're very confident that we'll be able to give you a clear answer on what you need and help educate you to your final goal.
Yeah, we do this as well, just to find out what people are happy or unhappy with in the industry, so that we can adjust our procedures, our products to be the best that we can offer to all of you out there.
Absolutely. So the last thing we want to talk to you tonight about is the discounting that happens in self-publishing. So in order to get you into the self-publishing,
to get you to sign up,
with self-publishing, there's a lot of discounts that can be offered up front. And sometimes this isn't necessarily the best thing for you, because simply getting you in the door so that the money is exchanged and that there is that relationship cemented, that's not necessarily going to prevent you from experiencing hidden costs or having to spend extra money on the other side once you're already signed with a publisher. So sometimes it's best to not have heavy discounting up front, but to pay for the publishing package that is going to suit your needs, and then make sure that's the only cost you're going to have to spend throughout the life of your publishing.
Absolutely, and just remembering the simple rule that sometimes front-loading discounts is just going to result in hidden fees later on in the process, and we're really careful about this. Almost everything that you will purchase in our publishing packages will take care of everything, and we've designed our packages to suit the needs of each different genre of book, so that you won't have additional fees moving forward. And if for some reason something came up that we hadn't expected or you hadn't expected, we would be upfront from the beginning about that, and you should expect that from any company that you choose to work with.
Absolutely. So we're just simply sending out a caution. Beware of heavy discounting up front. It might just mean that the publisher is trying to get you in the door and signed with them, but it's not necessarily the end of the story in terms of spending, and we want to make sure that you are within your budget throughout the entire publishing process.
Absolutely.
And that you're only ever purchasing services or additional services that you need at the time you need them.
And that are of value to you.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
And this conversation could really go on for hours, and I want to just stop here for now, but remind you that I'll be back on Wednesday night, July 6th at 5:30 Pacific, 8:30 Eastern. Marie's not going to be with us for this live Q&A, but we have invited one of our publishing consultants, Michael Peck, to co-host the live Q&A with me, and he has a lot of experience answering questions, particularly in this area. So write down your questions. Don't forget to like us on our Facebook fan page, and we'll see you then to answer anything else.